AC gas charging process. First of all, service the AC using jet pump. Run AC on test mode. After 15 minutes, check the performance of AC using SDS or LG sims. If indoor mid-pipe temperature is less than 6.5 degrees Celsius and discharge pipe temperature is more than 95 degrees Celsius, this could be because of less gas. If there is frosting on liquid side valve or evaporator inlet, it is one of the symptoms of less gas. Charge 150 pressure nitrogen for leak checking. Caution: never switch on AC when nitrogen is charged. Check leakage at all major joints with the help of soap solution. Do vacuum for 30 minutes till -30 Hg vacuum level is reached. Note: 1.5 cfm double stage vacuum pump is recommended. If vacuum level is not decreasing while holding vacuum, it means no leakage. Important checkpoints before gas charging. Cylinder should have at least twice the gas mentioned on AC. Always charge gas with cylinder in inverted position. Always use weighing machine to charge gas. Before gas charging, do purging. – 100% gas should be charged while AC is switched off. After gas charging, run AC for 15 minutes and check performance. Compressor working on its maximum capacity.